possible lucky numbers for you, Cancer, no? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Cancer. Possible lucky numbers for you this week. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you. 1, 2, and 3, no? So, may lumabas na, no? So, tignan natin yan. So, meron kayong white, no? Color white. So, and 15 and 55, no? So, merong angel dito, no? Angel number 555, no? For some of you, Cancer, no? So, may message ang inyong angel guides, no? 555. Pwede ring pagsamahin yung dalawa, 15 and 55, no? 15 and 55, no? May message sa inyo ang inyong angel guides, right, no? Check nyo na lang. And of course, kung makakita kayo ng number, no? Maybe for some of you, lagi kayo nakakita ng 5, no? 555, 55, no? Something like that. So, meron talagang message sa inyo ang inyong angel guides, no? Mga Cancer, no? So, and of course, you have this color white, no? So, within this coming week, no, your lucky color is white, no? So, wear white, no, sa inyong business, sa inyong job, para to attract positivity. And for some na nag-aaral pa, no, to, para ay maganda yung pag-aaral ninyo, no, something like that. And of course, sa mga nag-a-apply, no, kapag may mga interviews kayo, wear something white, no, or bring something white, no, para ay maging positive yung results ng inyong applications, right? No? So, yeah, that's it, no, mga Cancer. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading today, Cancer, no? So, yeah, God bless you and thank you for watching, Cancer. So, yeah, no, let's continue, no, with you, Scorpio. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin? So, let's see. Career situation for Scorpio, please. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Scorpio. 3 cards for Scorpio, please. Career situation for Scorpio. Career situation. So, yan. Hindi natin kukunin yung mga, ang dami nahuhulog, mga Scorpio, no? So, yeah, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for Scorpio. So, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, let's see. So, you have this, no? You're at the right path, no? So, maybe may mga nagtatanong sa inyo dyan, mga Scorpio, kung